A few days ago, I decided to go out on a nature walk, and this time I didn't carry my big bazooka over lens. I decided to go with my one lens that I've bought many years ago, but I seldom use it. And this is one masterpiece of a lens. That is the Sigma 105 f1.4 art lens. They call it the bokeh master. Things I love doing at my free time. I call it constructive distraction. Welcome to yet another exciting, educative, and creative piece of art. In this series, we are going to learn about aperture. I deliberately shot wide at f1.4, and the results are this. Please enjoy. I hope you like the content and you loved the out of focus background and strikingly standing out images like this. Please do remember to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to protect your peace. Adios.